One, two. Yo, yo, yo. Yeah. Yep, yep, yep. Who am I? Yeah, yeah. Stunning on them haters like your boy a superstar. If life was a movie, then you know my rated R. So fuck your whole crew, him too. Spotlight, oompa, doopity-doo. Stunning on them haters like your boy a superstar. If life was a movie, then you know my rated R. So fuck your whole crew, him too. Spotlight, oompa, doopity-doo. If they bury me alive, they'll just say I'm fresh to death. If that hoe don't act right, you gotta play it to the left. Feel like the realest walking as long as the Lord give me breath. I'm bad with the pen, Michael Jackson, Jermaine don't hear me though. So deaf.
Yeah. Gang. Shit. Yeah. They bang in the city, got game in the city. I don't think you niggas really hear me. Got a fly ass nigga dance with me. None of you hoes ain't really fucking with me. Some other niggas in the city real gritty. I'm sucking my paper and minding my business. But I stand on that real shit. I make a bitch for some food clip. Pull up on me, you might get shot. I be the one saying fuck the cops. Bitch, do I look like an ox? So I'm checking your spot just like the cops. I heard you was fucking with the ops. Played on my top, you might be shot. Told y'all niggas that I run the stop, but you run your mouth just like a clock. Bitch, you be talking to. I'll beat your ass like your mama do. I roll up in your spot, what you wanna do? Lightning bolt, loving you. I got some of the shit that I wanna do. But when it's my time, no one coming through. And I'ma get mine and then I'm through. I'm busting at everything coming through. I get off my shot. I didn't hit the block. I'm looking for odds. I'm chasing that Glock. Yo, when it's gon' stop? I'm always on top. Ain't never gon' stop. Yo, I can't be stopped. I'm riding this beat. I put her to sleep. Yo, this shit get deep. Yo, I never sleep. You won't get no peace. Fucking with me. And I play this beat. Yeah, gang shit. Let it ride. Let it ride. Let it ride. Let it ride. Yeah. Gang shit.
All I dream is burn. If you get caught outside, then you gon' get burned. Niggas say the word and we gon' burn. We gon' burn. We gon' burn. Bloody nightmares, all I dream is burn. If you get caught outside, then you gon' get burned. Niggas say the word and we gon' burn. We gon' burn. We gon' burn.
Fuck is you all? Fuck as you niggas is on, We kicking the door, we busting the floor, we getting your family gone. Blood in the air, I'm smelling it down. No stopping the bully, I'm gunning you down. You niggas is game.
Yo, can I with you? What?
ACT, you see this?
Look, if it ain't official DanaJay, Levi for Kelly, or Prima Donna News, I don't even want to see it. Take the time. Look. You got some weed? I gotta get some. All right, hurry up. These and them here, everybody here, we waiting on you. All right.
But I know that there's more. More for you, more for us.
DJ discretion.
Flow still sick, I ain't talking the pandemic.
DJ discretion.
Flow still sick, I ain't talking the pandemic.
DJ discretion.
Flow still sick, I ain't talking the pandemic.
Say, Lenny, what you gonna do now? Hope you're back.
really about to put it down. Girl, you know that I will never disrespect you. We have tomorrow, but tonight I want to spank you. That ass down, gotta make it last now. Girl, I'm so, then I'ma beat it up.
Get the bag. Get the bag. Y'all niggas know what it is. You know we get the bag. Get the bag. And you know we get the bag. And you know I gets the bag. We get the bag. Look at the whip. Look at the whip. Check out the wrist. Check out the wrist. Walk in the club. Walk in the club. Already lit. Already lit. Got niggas on wait. Hold up. Hold up. Got bitches on go. Come on, come on. Got perp out a pound. Perp out a pound. So you know we gon' blow. You know we gon' blow. She throwing pussy, so I'm throwing money. Bend it over, now she putting it on me. Never met a come a VIP nigga looking like he wanna run up on me. Just in case 100,000 on me. One for calling, that's 100 homies. 20 bitches out the club, we take them to the crib and in the whole party there. And you know we get the bag. No grocery, we really get the bag. Pull up in the phone, hop up with a phone, hit the mall and pop tags. When a nigga was a young boy, all I thought about was getting the cash. Yeah, a nigga getting the money now, so you know a nigga gon' brag. Still keep it hood, kills all good, dreams still on side. Bank account need to work out cause it's so fast. And you know we get the bag. And you know we get the bag. And you know I gets the bag. We get the bag.
Run it up, hey. Run it up, she wanna ride around in the Bentley truck. Her and a nigga, they done broke it up. Way back in the Maybach, suck it up. Private plane with the gang, take a trip. That's your man, you was saying she the rip. I get the bag, hop in the level when I do the dash. My heart on my pickets all glass. When we get your bitch and I smash. I'm a suicide of doge, just a pledge. I'ma put the product with the Saint Laurent, yeah. I'ma turn 100 to a million, no finesse. I'ma take the jet with the gang, cause we bled. And my neck, white coat, VVS. I'ma put the paddock on, crystal like milk. I can get the bag, no help with myself. I'ma buy everything on the shelf. Now we in Dubai with the water like Phelps. Keep a secret, be quiet, don't tell. Yo, nigga, up my wealth. I'm up. My trip ain't felt, my club ain't felt. I feel like this my year. Spend $250,000 on my ear. I'ma get the bag all year. I'ma hit your bitch from the rear. Hop up in the coupe, hit the gears. Riding in the Wraith with the shears.
You know we get the bag. And you know we get the bag. And you know I gets the bag. We get the bag.
Yo, what's good? Oh yeah, what's good? Shout out to everybody that's here. Shout out to the new platform that I just embraced. I am here in the new platform. Oh man, this is great. Oh my God, this is great. Look, I've been trying to help some folks. I've been telling folks like, yo, it's a new platform. You feel me? It's a new platform. So I've been trying to help some folks. And I said that I was going to test it out first. Well, here it is. I'm testing it out. People been talking about data. I want to get away from StreamYard. Now, do you want to get away from StreamYard? Now you can get away from StreamYard. StreamYard is a thing of the past. So let me ask this question. How do y'all like this new platform? Do y'all like the way it's set up? Do y'all like it? Give me a yes or give me a no if you like it. Give me a yes or no if you like it. What it do, Lexington Ridge? Do you like it or no? Y'all like it? New platform? You know what I'm saying? Time to get rid of StreamYard. Let everybody else go to StreamYard. Everybody that's cool with me, hit me up. I'll tell you what this is. Hit me up and I'll tell you what this is. And no, it's not Restream. Man. And it's not that expensive. It's not expensive. Shout out to everybody that's here. But you know what we talking about today. You know what's going on. Y'all know we talking that R. Kelly Motions joint. Now, somebody texted me and said that somebody that I was cool with at one time was talking about me. Here's what I got to say about that. Niggas know my numbers. Niggas know my name. Niggas know my email. If they really that tough and they want to say something to me, they know how to reach me. So until then, I'm going to leave it for what it is. YouTube bullshit. Plain and simple. Plain and simple. Plain and simple. Nothing else, nothing more. If niggas got something to say to me, AKA Tune, he got my number. He got my email. He can holler at me. We can do man-to-man shit. Until then, don't mention nothing like that to me. Who the fuck is Tune? I'm going to let that go. So, oh man, boy, this feels so good. Lord have mercy. The sound quality is good. I'm in a good space. I'm in a good space. So let's get down to it. Because I heard there was some craziness going on. Everybody talking about BONJEAN went bombs away today. Well, I'm going to say this much. Something going on. Something is going on. What is it? I don't know. But something is going on. You know, Nene B, you know what it is. I'm my free son now. That my Capri B, y'all. Always open it up first and check the inside. It'd be juice all over me if I open it up first. Big baby Panel, hey. Glad to see you still up. Miss Mary Dukes, how you doing? Love you always. So we're going to go there. I don't know what's been going on today, but it must have been bombs away. Because I'm getting calls left and right. Then when I get home, Dana, I'm thinking about leaving StreamYard too. Miss Lady T, hold up. Wait. You thinking about leaving StreamYard? Wait. You leaving StreamYard? You haven't posted enough to leave StreamYard. J-Rock, what it do? You know what I'm saying? You haven't posted enough. Dana, what's the deal with a restaurant? I think it was the same person that was talking trash to Jen, saying they're a restaurant and Kelly's name was on it. Whew. Need to be you late. But I'm looking at these motions at letters filed under seal. So 516, I told y'all the government did an objection to pre-sentence investigation report, both of them. Well, the order came out today. And the order is the government and the defendant. Damn, and Donnelly must be mad. And Donnelly must be mad. Oh, you just saw yesterday? Okay, cool. And Donnelly must be mad because she didn't even put his name in it. She just put the defendant. So something must have been going on. Hold on. So, she said order. The government and the defendant are directed to submit supplemental letters on the following questions in connection with the 273 Defendant's Rule 29 motion. Now, when I scroll up and look at what 273 is, that's the motion for acquittal by Robert Sylvester Kelly. Now, all of a sudden, hey, TT, now all of a sudden, Ann Donnelly, they got to submit supplemental letters on the following questions in connection with the 273 Defendant's Rule 29 motion. 1, are the defendant's claims about Section 120290 of the California Health and Safety Code, see ECF number 273-1 at 38 to 41, and about Section 2307 of the New York Public Health Law. The proper subjects of a motion for a judgment of acquittal under Federal Rule or of Criminal Procedure 29. United States versus Al Ghazi. Rule 29 only authorizes motions challenging the sufficiency of the evidence presented at trial. Citizens omitted. Number 2, are any of the defendant's argument about Section 120290 of the California Health and Safety Code untimely because he did not assert them before trial? And if so, did the defendant waive these claims because he did not raise them at the proper time? CEG United States versus O'Brien. But check this out. They all got to be submitted by May the 24th, 2022 at 5 p.m. The parties are directed to submit letters not exceeding 3 pages that addresses the above questions, ordered by Judge Ann M. Donnelly on 5/19/2022. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah, I like this because you can play with it. He's coming home soon. That's right. Hey, Miss Darlene. Oh man. Ooh. That motion is crazy. So let's go here. So not just that, but there's the playing field. That's where I wanted to go. The playing field is now evening out. Dana, what do you mean? The playing field is evening out. So the government thought that they can do all type of things, right? Cool. Well, Robert have some things that's about to happen as well. Robert have a new lawyer to help Miss BONJEAN. Uh-oh. 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 Y'all see it. United States District Court, Eastern District of New York, United States of America versus Robert Cesar Kelly, also known as R. Kelly, defendant. This is a notice of appearance. The clerk of court, please take notice that Ashley Cohen, Esquire, of the BONJEAN Law Group, PLLC, 750 Lexington Avenue, 9th floor, New York, New York. 10022 is appearing for the defendant Robert Kelly in the above captioned matter. See it, Ashley Cohen. All right. We welcome Ashley. She's part of the team now. Not only is she part of the team in New York, she also went down to Chicago. She also went to Chicago. And she put her appearance in. United States District Court of the Northern District of Illinois, attorney appearance form. Here you go. United States versus Kelly et al. You see it. An appearance is hereby filed by the undersigned as attorney for Robert Kelly. Attorney name, Ashley Cohen. Firm, BONJEAN Law Group. Here we go. And she passed the bar. Uh-oh. Are you acting as lead counsel in this case? No. Are you acting as local counsel in this case? No. Are you a member of the court's trial bar? Yes. If this case reaches trial, will you act as the trial attorney? Yes. If this is a criminal case, check your status. Retain counsel. Uh-oh. In order to appear before this court as attorney, in order to appear before this court, an attorney, hold on. Hold on. I thought I was sharing my screen. Oh, that's what's wrong. I'm sorry. My craziness. My bad. In order to appear before this court, an attorney must either be a member in good standing of this court's general bar or be granted leave to appear pro hac vice as provided for by local rules 83.12 through 83.14. I declare under penalty of perjury that the foregoing is true and correct. Under 28 USC 1746, this statement under perjury has the same force and effect as a sworn statement made under oath, executed on May 19th, 2022. Attorney's signature, electronic signature, Ashley Cohen. Ooh, here we go. Here we go. So, what got everybody in the rouse today? We understand that Ann Donnelly don't want that heat on her, and I don't blame her. I wouldn't want it either. But let's see what Miss BONJEAN cooked up today. She must have cooked something up because these folks is mad, and I mean mad for real. So let's go. BONJEAN Law Group, PLC. United States versus Kelly. Dear Judge Donnelly, I write respectfully to request leave to file a supplemental sentencing submission upon receipt of experts' reports from defendants' mitigation experts expected to be received on June the 9th, 2022. The government does not object to a supplemental submission if defendant cannot obtain the reports prior to May the 26th, 2022, which he cannot. Alternatively, defendant seeks an extension until June the 13th, 2022, in which to file his sentencing submission and request that the sentencing hearing be pushed back by a week or even a few days. The government has expressed its desire to keep the sentencing date on June the 15th, 2022. Defendant's preference is to adjourn the due date for sentencing submissions and the sentencing hearing date by a week, June the 22nd, 2022, but will take what he can get. By way of background, undersigned counsel was retained by the defendant to write post-trial motions, assist at sentencing, and to represent him in the Second Circuit. Whoa. Uh-oh. This right here is letting you know that they already about to go to trial. I meant that they going to appeal. Now I see why Ann Donnelly is moving. Because now it's about the appeal. There it is. By way of background, undersigned counsel was retained by the defendant to write post-trial motions, assist at sentencing, and to represent him in the Second Circuit. Remember, he already been to the Second Circuit without her. Now he's going back to the Second Circuit. And if you remember everything that the Second Circuit said, they said that Ann Donnelly, they got faith that she would do the right thing, which she did not and have not been doing. Now it comes back around again a week later. So it says she filed her appearance in this case on October the 29th, 2022. To be clear, undersigned counsel was not retained to undertake a defendant's entire post-trial defense and sentencing representation. However, after reading the voluminous record in this case and drafting post-trial motions, it became clear that undersigned counsel would have to raise ineffective assistance of counsel claims that placed other members of his trial team in a conflicted position. Undersigned counsel first appraised the court of this development in a letter dated February the 1st, 2022, docket number 264. In and around that time, defendant's trial team withdrew. Before moving to withdraw, defendant's attorney had not retained any mitigation experts or completely any mitigation investigation as best as defendant can tell. It would be noted that until early February, it was virtually impossible to communicate or meet with defendant. The BOP was first on the pandemic-related lockdown and then went on a nationwide security-related lockdown in January. During this time, it was extraordinarily difficult to secure Zoom meetings, which were in high demand, unreliable, and invariably canceled or changed without notice. Now, stop. Let's go back to something. The BOP was first on pandemic-related lockdown. So how did Robert get them letters out? Like I said, he didn't. And then went on a nationwide security lockdown in January. So how was Robert writing or emailing anybody? How was Robert calling people and after 3 words he busts out singing? He wasn't. Here it is, and you see it right here. Impossible. When I tell y'all that certain people do certain things to get attention, and it's not like that, it's not like that. During this time, it was extraordinarily difficult to secure Zoom meetings, which were in high demand, unreliable, and invariably canceled or changed without notice. On the few occasions counsel was able to meet with defendant by Zoom, the meetings did not allow for meaningful consultation. It was impossible to hear one another or share documents. These meetings were particularly difficult, given Mr. Kelly's literacy challenges. Without getting into unnecessary and privileged details, undersigned counsel diligently began preparing for sentencing in various ways during and after the completion of post-trial motions, including exploring retaining mitigation experts. As this court already knows, undersigned counsel sought a continuation for sentencing until after defendant's August 1st, 2022 NDIL trial out of concern that defendant would have to choose between competing constitutional rights. This court denied that motion on April the 5th, 2022. The defendant's subsequent motion for reconsideration, docket number 289. Undersigned counsel began consulting and interviewing mitigation experts. In March, in the event this court denied his request for a long adjournment, which it did. This task was exceedingly difficult given the complexity of this case, the dearth of experts willing or able to take on this case, and the short time schedule on which an expert would need to work. Undersigned counsel did retain the mitigation experts in mid-April and promptly sought approvals from the MDC on an expedited basis to allow face-to-face meeting with the defendant. Indeed, defendant's experts were prepared to conduct their examination of defendant the last week of April, which would have allowed plenty of time for preparation of their reports prior to the sentencing submission deadline. But the MDC was adamant that there was no way to expedite the approval process. The experts were not approved until May the 13th, 2022, bending over backwards to accommodate this short timeline. The experts cleared their schedules and made prompt travel arrangements to meet with defendant today and have scheduled visits next week on May the 24th and May the 25th. Reluctantly, they have agreed to submit their report by June the 9th, 2022, but they cannot move at any faster pace. In light of the foregoing, undersigned counsel reached out to the government to explain the dilemma and determine whether they would object to a short adjournment of sentencing or if they could at least agree to a supplemental sentencing submission in advance of the June the 15th, 2022 sentencing date. AUSA Getter stated that they would like to keep the June the 15th, 2022 sentencing date and strongly suggest that the expert expedite his or her report. A reasonable request given that he or she was retained with the understanding of the firmly set sentencing date. To the extent that the expert cannot complete the report by the time your submission is due, we do not object to your making a supplement submission in advance of the sentencing date. Undersigned counsel appreciates the government's courtesies, but wants to point out that while the experts were retained with a clear understanding of the firmly set sentencing date and prioritize this case to meet that deadline, the MDC did not approve them for visits until May the 13th, 2022. The experts have already expedited their process as best as they can. They are not local and could not have even made travel arrangements until the approvals came through. Once the approvals were made, the experts acted with alacrity, but they simply cannot have a report since he was unable to read documents prior to the meetings. Regular face-to-face visits did not resume until February the 10th, 2022. Excuse me. Complete by May the 26th, 2022. If they cannot complete their visits with defendant until May the 25th, 2022, they have, however, agreed to complete the report by June the 9th, 2022. Defendant is facing a guidelines range of life. Defendant is facing a guidelines range of life. The PSR reflects the complexity of the sentencing issues at play in this case. Defendant is entitled to competent representation at sentencing, which includes presenting evidence of mitigation. Whatever can be said about prior counsel, undersigned counsel has worked around the clock to ensure that defendant received constitutionally mandated effective assistance of counsel. Accordingly, defendant respectfully requests that this court enter an order granting defendant until June the 13th, 2022, in which to file a single sentencing submission and to adjourn the sentencing hearing by a week, or at least a few days. Alternatively, defendant seeks an order allowing defendant to submit a supplemental sentencing submission no later than June the 13th, 2022. The government can apparently live with this solution. Respectfully, Jennifer BONJEAN. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't know what to say, but Jennifer ain't playing. Now, I heard some people talking about Jennifer filed something about some emails. I can't find that one in Pacer. I can't find that one. So I think I was kind of green lighted on that one. Because I can't find that one. We're going to have to see. I'm checking again right now. Just to make sure that I'm not going crazy. Let's see. Let's see. I don't see nothing about no emails. So I guess I was green. I guess I was gassed up. I guess they gassed me all the way up. I see. The last motion was 195, 196. I got both of those. But I want to see something else, though. I want to see what happened at court today. Let's see what defendant. I want to see something. Okay. The Curcio hearing was scheduled for today. Okay. Let's see. No, that's not it. Hold on. So this is weird. So Don Russell have another. He got a telephone conference set for 5/24. That's in 4 days at 3:30 p.m. Final pretrial conference is set for 7/12/2022 at 4:30 p.m. It's July the 12th. Pretrial conference set for July the 12th at 4:30 p.m. before Judge Paul G. Gurdjieff. Oh. This is weird. But the telephone conference. Okay, hold on. Final pretrial conference set for 7/12/2022 at 4:30 p.m. Pretrial conference set for 7/12/2022 at 4:30 p.m. before Judge Paul G. Gurdjieff. But his telephone conference is set for 5/24/2022 at 3:30 p.m. before Judge Paul G. Gardaff as well. I'm gonna keep an eye on it. That's kind of weird. Wait a minute. Oh, okay. Okay. I thought it said something else. I want to say, wait a minute, something ain't right. All right, get it out of the way. Nah, ain't nothing about Robert with no emails now. Nah. So hey, that's the update of what's going on. Nothing more, nothing less. That's the true update. That's the true update coming straight from Pace itself. Shout out to everybody that stayed up with me. I'm calling out Sparkle and her nieces and nephews. Mm-hmm. Yeah, please hit that like button. Judah, you lost me. You calling out Sparkle, her nieces and nephews for New York or for Chicago? Which one? Shout out to Big Vibe. What's up, bro? So you lost me. Like, I'm calling them out because they know they lying about everything. Man, I'm telling you, man, get away from StreamYard, man. Hell with death to StreamYard. You will never see me go back to StreamYard. If you want to know what I'm on, come holler at me. We'll definitely talk. So it is what it is. Like I say, a lot of things going on, man. Dana, you think Tasha's K in trouble again? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Big Vibe said, hold on, let me see what you see. He said, I'm there until my subscription expires. I feel you, bro. But if you like StreamYard, you'll definitely like this joint. This joint is way better than StreamYard. They give you more things to worry about, you know. They give you more things under your belt, and you can configure things together. That's what it is. You can do a lot of configurations together with this. Right now, I'm streaming on 12 platforms. 8 platforms I don't know nothing about. I ain't gonna lie to you. The other ones, I know everything about. So when I tell you it's much smoother, man, it's so much you can do with this. But hey, I'm about to get up out of here, man. We had a long day, long night. Y'all be blessed. DanaJay will see y'all when it's time to go. Like now. So let's do it like this. If you're looking for a social platform that's made for us, designed by us, created by us, then come on over to WeGotUps.com. www.WeGotUps.com.
Yeah, what's up? This your homeboy Ice Cube. You know what it is, the West Coast Warlord, the Grand Wizard. Don Mega is in the house. Now check this out. I'm inviting you to join the official Black People Social Network. WeGotUps.com. That's WeGotUps.com. 100% Black owned, man. I see you here, boys. I see you. You out there doing it, man. And as we say in the Big Three League, we got ups, baby. So WeGotUps.com. Check it out, man. You know what I mean? Obviously, you know, Black people, we definitely need to socialize, get together, figure out this system we all going through. So, you know, WeGotUps.com promises to be that place. Like I said, Black owned. Gotta love it. And you know, willing to make sure that you guys make a social connection. So WeGotUps.com, you know, from your homeboy Ice Cube. Got to throw up the dub, you know, for that. You know what I'm saying? And hey man, official Black People Social Network. You know, I get it right. Don't worry about nothing. Just join, man. Join the official Black People Social Network. WeGotUps.com. WeGotUps.com, man. That's easy, man. We got ups, baby. We got ups. Your homeboy Ice Cube, and I'm out. Throwing up the dub for We Got Ups, man. Check it out.
And when you come over, turn that blue gray. When you look up official DanaJay. Until next time, I love every last one of y'all. I'm out. Dream team for life. Let's go. Boom.
The boy never let me in, sick with the medicine. On the block distributing right with the medicine. Haters don't like me, heard they wanna fight me. Teflon at your chest, I bet you can't fight these. Mad cause I'm getting dope, Pillsbury ill flow. Niggas love to move slow, you sick of me, don't care though. Yes, I'm a savage, out for the cabbage. Catch the boy armed up, full metal alchemist. Yes, I'm ill, and yeah, I'm so real. Coward ass niggas coming home without an appeal. Damn, how this getting done? Tell me what's the outcome? Anybody wanna see me? Tell them where the fuck I'm from. Patrol homes, red rum. Yeah, we get the job done. Out trying to stack chips. Make these haters so sick. If they sick of that, then they really gonna be sick of this. Santa Claus Viper. Haters, Merry Christmas.
Swimming in you.